Welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and I am standing in front of one drop dead gorgeous Go Green Charger. She's a numbers matching 383. She's rotisserie restored, 4-speed car. You're gonna love checking this one out. So go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We're gonna put it up on the lift so you can check out the underside. We're gonna take a look at that 383, the 4-speed, the black interior. We're gonna show you everything you wanna see so you can make a great decision on your Charger investment. So come on up and let's fire this beast up. So check this beautiful Charger out, man. You do not find them this nice, guys. This is a drop dead gorgeous car. The chrome on the front bumper is beautiful. The hideaway headlights, that grill's beautiful. This Go Green paint is straight as an arrow. The blacked out hood looks good. All the panel alignment is near perfect. That line is straight as an arrow, nearly perfectly flush. These are nearly perfectly flush, nice and straight. All the trim is nice and polished. All the chrome looks good. That door handle looks original to the car. That goes to show you what good care this car has been over the years just to be still looking that beautiful. Look at these door lips. And they had the latch out when they did the restoration. The door jambs are all nicely painted. She is straight as an arrow. Look down the side of that car. Those great big long panels, that's amazing body work on there. And that paint as smooth as can be. That gas cap also looks original to the car, and it is in beautiful shape. 1970, guys, that's a long time ago. Chrome on the back bumper looks like it's brand new. Let's see if this key works. Hey, look at that, first try. Look inside the trunk. Wheel wells are nice and clean. Trunk floor is nice. You guys all know these trunk floors rot out in these cars. This one looks beautiful. Those quarters all look original on the inside. Got the spare tire in there. The gutters around the trunk look nice and they're all painted up. The rubber's been replaced. The lips are all beautiful. When you look down the side of the car, she's straight as an arrow. This door fits nice and flush also. That line's nice and straight. All this trim's nicely polished. We've got one little dent right there. Look at this door jamb, beautiful. All the rubber's been replaced. Look how nice and easy that closes. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. That means we own all of our inventory here. We spend the time to check the cars out before we buy them. When we get them back here to the shop, we inspect them so Tom can answer any question you may have about the car. So give him a call at 248-974-9513. Now let's take a look at this black interior. Check out that door panel, man. That baby looks like it's brand spanking new. All the chrome looks like it's new. All the trim is in good shape. The carpeting looks brand new. The steering wheel looks brand new. Even the dome lights are working in the center console there, and there's that 4-speed pistol grip, long-handled shifter that everybody loves in these B-bodies. That center console looks great. These black bucket seats are in beautiful shape. We actually have 3 seat belts in the back seat, so if you got 3 sets of kids, bring them all along. That package tray is nice and clean. The headliner's in good shape. The dome light's working. And take a look at the dash. All the chrome around the gauges in good shape. All the lenses are nice and clear. The faces of the gauges are nicely painted. That pad on the dash is beautiful. This is a drop dead gorgeous Charger. Let's take our rotisserie restored Charger for a ride. Got a skid steer in our way here. This guy's putting in a new approach. I tell you what, this car's amazing, guys. Rotisserie restoration on a Charger. She's beautiful. She's driving awesome. Down here on the dash, take a look at all that. Beautiful dash. The speedo is not working. The tach is working. I got the fuel gauge, temperature gauge, oil pressure gauge. It's got the stock radio in it. And of course that pistol grip shifter that everybody's after. Man, this car's sharp. It's got an awesome sounding exhaust on it also. Just sounds tough as can be. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're shipping experts. We can ship this Charger anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom answers his phone 7 days a week and practically 24 hours a day. So call him anytime and he'll tell you just how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway. And don't forget, we offer financing also. We've got 2 banks we work with, about a 15-minute phone call to the banker, and we can get this dream in your drive. We're right outside the Motor City. We're only 20 minutes from the airport. So if you'd like to fly in, hop on an airplane, jump in your car, whatever, we'd love to have you as a visitor. We sell about 95% of our cars sight unseen, so we don't get a lot of visitors. And man, do we love to have visitors. I love showing these cars off. Listen to that exhaust. What a sweet sounding ride this is. Going through the gears nice and smooth. Got a really good acceleration too. That was only about half throttle. Downshifting nice. That's one of the funnest things about 4-speeds is making that exhaust talk. Of course, all these guys have to slow down to check out this Charger. Listen to that. Now, if you see something on the car you'd like a little different, don't forget, we can probably take care of it for you. Call Tom and talk to him. We'll get you a price. Here's our shop right here at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. We'd love to have you come down. Now you got to stick with us because we're going to get under the car and take a look at the bottom side, and then we're going to take a look under the hood and see what's making the power. All right, we're underneath this 70 Charger now, and I told you she was beautiful underneath too. Look at that, brand new tank, brand new exhaust, trunk floor looks good, frames all painted, drop downs look great. It looks all original to me. Shocks look like they're newer, right around a 331 gear in this, and she's the 489 case. Exhaust system's got Flowmasters, all the paint up here is beautiful, frames beautifully painted, parking brake cables are there. Now the brakes, the guys will pull those all apart, make sure they're in good working order. Looks like we got good looking lines running front to back, fuel and brake lines. Pinch weld looks great. Bottom side of the rockers look great. Just an amazing car. You can see they split the crossover here, so if you want to pull the exhaust down, it'll be real nice and easy. We got the Mopar 4-speed here, and its numbers matching too. Again, frame beautiful. Steering gear, the guys will go through. She does have disc brakes. The guys will take a look at that. All the bushings will be checked out. Anything that needs to be replaced, we'll take care of. K-member looks great. Bottom side of the motor's nice and clean. Heck, they even painted right down to the bottom edge of that valance. The core support looks like it may have had a piece spliced in here in the middle at one time for one reason or another. Looks great. They did a beautiful job. Wheel wells are all nice and painted. Front bumper chrome looks new. I mean, just an amazing car. This is one that I'd put mirrors underneath if I was going to a car show. Let's look at those wheels and tires. All right, we got great looking Magnums here. They look original to the car. Trim rings look good. Let's see, 235/60/15s, and you can see all that paint work up in there, and the wheel lip molding looks good. Bottom side of the front fender looks good. Always get up in there and feel around here. All I feel is nice and smooth metal back there. Let's check the rear. All right, out back, we got a lot more rubber back here. This is where the power hits the road. 275/60/15s, great looking trim rings again. Again, the wheels look like they are original to the car. Wheel wells are all nicely painted. Always check this lip too. This lip's nice and clean. All I feel is where that inner fender is welded to that quarter. Wheel lip molding looks good. All the paint work down here looks good. Bottom side of the rocker's beautiful. Just a gorgeous car. Let's get under that hood. Check this dude out, man. 70 Charger, numbers matching 383. It's got exhaust manifolds on it. It's got a Carter AFB underneath this stock appearing air cleaner. All the hoses look right. The wires look right. All the wiring looks good. It's got a Mopar radiator in it. Everything's nicely painted. Heck, it's even got a Mopar battery in it, or that may be one of those battery covers. She's got power steering. Actually, I pointed at the brakes. That's power brakes and power steering, a stock appearing distributor. Of course, there's 2 wires coming out of that, but the Mopars all were solid state. They were electronic ignition. Ballast resistors mounted there on the wall, the firewall. Looks like the shocks are new. The horns are here. Everything up here is nicely painted. It's a beautiful car, guys. She's a 70 Charger. She's numbers matching. She's got a gear shifter in it, and yep, it's got a pistol grip. This thing's amazing, guys. Call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.